Thank you, Active, for sending this item to check out, and we are looking at the Seal and Grout Mold Stain Remover, formulated to deep clean. They can be used for caulking, rubber seals, tile and grout, cleans, deodorizes, refreshes, cleans and removes stains from washing machines, refrigerators, dishwasher, rubber seals and gaskets, tile and grout, tub and shower, sink, toilet, and window caulking. Some of the tips is heavily discolored areas may require more cleaner gel. Scrub the area lightly with soft brush before letting the gel sit. And for tile and grout and caulking, apply it directly onto the caulk. Avoid excess gel on ceramic and metal surfaces. And for directions on how to use it, always use gloves and protective eyewear when using this product. And shake well before use. Step 1, ensure the surface to be treated is dry and free from any loose debris or dirt. Step 2, squeeze the seal and grout cleaner gel onto the surface until the dirty areas are covered. Step 3, wait 3 to 5 hours until gel has hardened. Step 4, use a damp cloth or a sponge to wipe away the gel and rinse with clean water. Step 5, allow the area to air dry before using or making skin contact. And this has been Active Seal and Grout Mold Stain Remover.